Here are 10 things that I learned after moving to Malaysia. Number 1, keep your AC temperature to above 19 degrees to save yourself on your energy bill. This is very important when you're living in a hot country like Malaysia. Number 2, don't be alarmed by that sound. That's probably just a thunderstorm. So in Malaysia, you get a lot of thunder. So don't be scared, it's just a thunderstorm. Number 3, it is very hot here, but eventually you do get used to the hot weather and you enjoy the vitamin D boost that you get with that. So it's very hot, but it's enjoyable at the same time. Number 4, the healthcare here is very affordable compared to private healthcare in the UK. Number 5, all your essentials are very affordable in Malaysia. That includes your food, your energy, your fuel, and your rent. Number 6, Malaysia has a lot of public holidays compared to the UK, and that is because of the diverse group of religious communities that live here. So alhamdulillah, we do get our Islamic Eid and holidays, but we also get all the other holidays from the other communities that reside here. Number 7, in Malaysia, we have food places called Mamaks, and these places are usually found in the corner lots. They're very affordable in terms of the price. The food is delicious, and they usually open 24/7. So you will find everyone there throughout the night eating at a local Mamak. We actually have a podcast on the channel. It's called the Midnight Mamak, so please check that one out. I'll leave some information in the description box below. Number 8, so in Malaysia, Jumu'ah is usually done by the men. There's limited masajid that accommodate for women in terms of Jumu'ah. So any sisters that are traveling to Malaysia, do check out prior to traveling if the local masjid where you're planning to stay or attend Jumu'ah actually has space for sisters. So there are specific masajid where sisters can attend for Jumu'ah. So that's one to keep a note of. Number 9, it is very easy in Malaysia to get extra help for things like childcare and house cleaning, and it's very cheap and affordable, and it's very safe to do so as well. And finally, number 10, the immigration laws in Malaysia are constantly changing, so please do keep a note of the immigration laws and seek expert advice before traveling to Malaysia. And with that, we'll end the video. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.